Now, in an earlier video, we looked at using the Tickspeedometer on currency futures, and of course the obvious question that one might ask after that is, well, does the Tickspeedometer work on spot currency markets, spot FX? And the short answer is yes, works in exactly the same way. And I've pulled up the pound yen here. We're running on a 1 minute, 2 minute and 3 minute combination here, so 1, 2, 3. But in essence, it works in exactly the same way as all the other markets. You can see here we've got 55 on the fib number, 144, and we've got the same here running at the moment on the 3 minute. Now, the only thing you have to be aware of when you're running in spot and using the Tickspeedometer is to make sure that you have the correct setting on the tick volume rather than trade volume. And you do that in data. If we go into edit symbol here, and you'll see here I've got this for volume, I've got tick count. If this is set to trade volume, then the indicator won't work. I'll just put that on there. There we go. So you always have to have this set on the correct volume, in other words, tick count. We click that back to tick count, there we go, and we're back again, and we'll just drop that down there, back into place. So the short answer is yes, this works in exactly the same way. Let's just correct these as 34. Shown you how to do this before. There we are. And this one is 89, both 89, so we'll just put 89 into that one. There we go. So there we are. So it works in exactly the same way on the spot market, and it will, of course, again, it will vary from pair to pair. So if we were to type in, let's put in euro dollar, for example, very, very popular. There we go. That will pull that up. These are all symbol linked. And there we go. We've got the settings for a euro dollar contract. Let's go to, let's have a look at Aussie yen. Nice cross-currency pair. Proxy risk, of course, because you've got the Aussie on one side and the Japanese yen on the other. There we go. We've got the settings 34, 89 and 144. Let's just do one more. Dollar CAD as we're coming into the US session now. Just open that one up. There we go. That's what the dollar CAD's been doing in the daily time frame. Certainly fairly bearish for the time being, longer term trend. But again, you can see the settings here. You know, they're all very different in terms of, we've got 34, we've got 34, 34, we've got 55. They're very, very different in terms of each of those currency pairs. The more liquid, the very heavily traded ones will have higher tick counts and others will have lower tick counts. So there we go. That is how to use the Tickspeedometer for spot currency markets. Please make sure to remember that in the tick settings, you have it set to tick volume or tick count and not to trade volume. If you have it set to trade volume, it won't work. You just need to go and reset that in the data window. So I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching and see you soon, and bye for now.